So many leaders have talked about climate change. I feel that there is a lack of seriousness. Perhaps some of the leaders who can do a lot do not realize the urgency of the situation. If this keeps going, if nothing is done, we are scared that humans are facing a huge catastrophe. Richer countries must be pushed. Countries mainly are responsible for greenhouse gas emissions. They must be pushed. There must be more emphasis. I hope that the United Nations will take a lead in this. We planted 1 billion trees in 5 years. Now we've set ourselves a target of 10 billion trees in Pakistan. Anyone can see that climate change is for real. Record temperatures in Siberia, ice melting on the poles, temperatures in Europe unprecedented, fires ravaging Australia, California, cyclones, hurricanes. If the world does not take notice now, I'm afraid we will be endangering our future generations.